How to find your transaction history of rewards from Compaign on your TikTok account. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just come to TikTok and open it. Then when your TikTok is opening, you will just go here on your profile, then click on your profile like this and go to this 3 point here at the top of the screen and go to settings and privacy, and then go to balance, click on it, and you wait for a little, and you will go here on this place and you will find this icon here and click on it. Then go to all types and change it to rewards from campaigns, and here you will find it. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.